everyone, welcome back to Cooking Vegan with Johanny. Today, I'll be sharing my delicious banana nut coffee cake recipe. It's moist, flavorful, and topped with a delicious vegan cream cheese frosting. It's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or any occasion. I promise you this recipe will definitely become one of your favorites. So let's get started. First, let's start with our dry ingredients. Make sure you have a large mixing bowl because we're going to need that to add all of our ingredients. I'm using 1 cup of spelt flour, half a cup of pastry flour, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's whisk everything together, and then we're going to start on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, mash 1 ripe banana, then add 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of aquafaba. This is the liquid from the chickpeas. It's a perfect egg replacement. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We're going to whisk it all together until smooth. Now gently combine all of our wet and dry ingredients. Add a cup of milk. Add half a cup of walnuts to mix all of our ingredients until everything is incorporated well. Be careful not to overmix. Now no coffee cake is complete without a cinnamon topping. So we're going to need a small bowl, 1 cup of spelt flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, some butter, add some avocado oil, and a half a tablespoon of lime juice. You want this mixture to have a crumbly texture. Make sure you mix this very well. This is a very important step because the quality of this topping is vital for this cake. I'm using mini bundt cake pans for this recipe. You're welcome to use the pan size of your choice, but layering your cake will remain the same. I like to grease my pans and add a little flour to prevent any sticking. Now we're going to pour our cake batter into the pan and we're going to make sure it's even. Sprinkle the cinnamon topping over the top until it's fully covered. And now we're going to repeat the same step and add more cake batter over our cinnamon topping until it's even. Now let's finish layering our cake. Add more cinnamon topping over our cake batter until it's fully covered. Please make sure you're using a lot of cinnamon topping because the cake will rise. If you don't use enough, you will not have enough coverage on top of your cake. Now it's time to place our cake into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick placed in the center comes out clean. While it's baking, now let's make our frosting. For the frosting, you'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 ounces of vegan cream cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, or you can use avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mashed banana. And we're gonna add some walnuts as well. Whip it all together until it's creamy and smooth. Once the cake has cooled completely, drizzle the frosting over the top. And there you have it, banana nut coffee cake. This is so good. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. You're going to love how easy and delicious this recipe is. If you try this banana nut coffee cake, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with anyone who loves desserts or cakes.